Have you ever wondered about the benefits of that humble box of oats sitting in your pantry? Today, we dive into the fascinating world of oats, exploring their types, benefits, and ways to incorporate them into your meals. Prepare to be amazed by the versatile and nutritious world of oats. First, let's understand the different types of oats available to us. Whole oat groats are the most natural form, minimally processed and full of fiber. Steel-cut oats are chopped groats, boasting a chewy texture and slow digestion. Scottish oats are stone-ground groats, creating a creamier porridge. Rolled oats, steamed and flattened, are the common choice for a quick breakfast. Lastly, quick oats are pre-cooked, dried, and rolled, offering the fastest cooking time. Now that you know your oats, let's delve into the benefits they offer. Oats aren't just a breakfast staple, they're packed with numerous health benefits. Let's dive in. Oats are a great ally for weight control, keeping you full and satisfied for longer. They're also a champion of heart health, containing beta-glucan, a type of fiber that can lower bad cholesterol. Oats support digestion and metabolism, and help control blood sugar levels, making them a favorite among diabetics. Plus, they give your immune system a boost, thanks to their rich antioxidant content. Impressed yet? But how can you incorporate oats into your diet? Incorporating oats into your diet is easier than you might think. Start your day with a bowl of overnight oats, prepped the night before for a quick and nutritious breakfast. Blend oats into your smoothies for an extra fiber boost. Even savory dishes can benefit from the addition of oats. When choosing oats, opt for whole oat groats or steel-cut oats for the most health benefits. So go ahead, experiment with oats in your meals. With these tips, you can easily make oats a part of your daily diet. Let's summarize what we've learned about oats. We've delved into the variety of oats, explored their health benefits ranging from weight control to heart health, and discussed practical ways to integrate them into your diet. So the next time you see that box of oats, remember, it's not just food, it's a superfood waiting to boost your health.